Look at this beautiful scrunchie. Assalamualaikum viewers and hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Dolly Fatma Fashion Designer. Today I will share with you how to make a scrunchie. First I am using a matching thread and threading the needle. Now I am taking an organza fabric. I am folding the fabric. Then I am stitching along the edge. I folded the fabric from this side and now I will cut it from here. The width of this fabric is 4 inches and the length is 25 inches. Now I am folding it again and stitching it. Then I overlapped both ends and stitched them together. I left a small gap. Now I will turn it right side out through the opening. I inserted the elastic using a safety pin. Then I tied a knot. After that, I closed the opening with stitching. And my scrunchie is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.